What's up, everybody? Good morning. How y'all doing today? I got a package in the mail last night. ECS tuning. It's the bypass diverter valve for the GTI, the Mark 7 GTI. We're gonna install that today, and I'll take you guys along for the ride and see how it goes. It shouldn't take too long, and I hope we don't run into any issues. And let's get to it. Just pulled up. Car is in the driveway. Norbert's WRX. Alright, y'all. So that was more difficult. I mean, if I had the right tools, it wouldn't be as difficult. But yeah, she's in there. That piece right there. Reaching this bottom bolt was very difficult. We makeshift this little thing. Yeah, I think I need to get some tools, but it's in there. I'll put it back together and I'll rev the car and you'll see how it sounds like, I guess. Look who showed up.
Hello.
we gonna do some vinyl wrap. Some matte black accents on the hood. It's gonna be like this. Yeah, like that. Just like right there. Like that. Alright. So what are we doing, Justin?
We put in this tape thing cause this damn yo. Fuck that tape.
This is knifeless tape.
That's
that false tape.
I like this camera.
Knifeless tape.
Can I have this camera for free?
Hell,
I mean, well, Christmas is coming.
This is Christine's camera, actually.
Hey, Curl, can I have this camera for free?
So this is knifeless tape. So what it does is after you put the vinyl, it cuts the vinyl and it gives it that clean line, rather than trying to do it by hand. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh. So you don't cut your cut your paint.
The problem with my car is, you know, the paint's not that good.
Or the tape is too strong because it's fire.
The tape is too strong.
Or Jeff's finger is too strong.
Because it took my paint on the other side.
Let's take a look at it.
Yeah, take a gander.
Oof. You know what sucks? You can see it from far away, kinda.
You can see it. Because it's silver.
This shit's nice though. Yeah, you should give it raccoon eyes. Yeah,
I think so. I
think so.
about
yeah,
it.
You should. Ow.
Because I had the same shit on the last one.
Yo, this quality is dope. You're gonna edit it, but then you're gonna be like, wow, Justin took some really good shots. Damn, yo, Norbert's thing is fucking like good. It's like shiny on the camera. Yo, this man's shiny. Whoosh. Whoosh. My name is Justin. I'm single. Yeah.
The rally armor? Yeah.
Scared.
Just delete my sniffles.
Oh, you have that thing, I forgot.
Alright, let's not rip any paint now.
Oh god, I hope so.
Wait, did you rip paint when, is that how that happened?
Yeah, that's how the line happens.
Motherfucker. I was wondering, I was like, I've never seen that. So it's working Sunday?
I'm pretty sure I'm doing something Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
But I forget. I'm like you. I'm pretty sure I have plans on Sunday, but I can't remember what the plans were.
I think I have like multiple plans tonight that I agreed to, so we'll see. I'm just gonna wait for someone to text me, hey, you coming? Ah, shit. What made you decide to do this?
To match the answer.
That's so hot. I'm so fucking horny right now.
Damn, this looks good now.
Fuck a Type R. I'm not getting no Type R.
You're thinking of getting a Type R?
Yeah, because they're cheap. They're good. They're a good price now.
They went down?
Yeah, there's not that much of a market.
True.